You should take a picture and put burn, baby, burn.
What to do with an old washer? Well, here's one thing that could be done, and what I've done with one. Look at this flame. This thing is burning, and all it took was to drill 2 holes.
It burnt so much already.
Use one of the holes that were there, and this is it. And this is burning. Let me tell you, I'm a few feet away from this. This is a hot fire. No smoke, and it's just burning. This is what it looks like during the day. This was a real simple make. I already had 3 really hot fires in here. I filled this barrel. Oh, this is just a lid I cut off one of the 55-gallon drums. I put it on top to keep the wood dry. I had 3 really hot fires in here. This was completely full with pallet wood, twigs similar to that, cleaned up the yard a little bit, and a couple of logs I threw in there just to see if this enamel would break off. I thought it would. For the longest time I was looking for a stainless steel drum. I have one, but I started on this when I picked up the other one, and all I did to put this together was to drill 2 holes in this barrel. There was 1 hole in there I already used 3 nuts and bolts, and bolted it to the stand of the washer. Now, as soon as it warms up, we've been having some brutal weather for, well, brutal for this area anyway. It's been in the teens, low teens, and just around the 8, 9, and 10 mark at night. But as soon as it dries up a little bit, I'm going to grind this down, paint it up so it looks halfway decent. It's very light to pick up. This is the frame that supports the washer. Inside, you could cut this out if you like. I just left it. I don't see any harm in it being there. And this is after 3 major burns. It burned everything almost down to nothing. I can't believe for the amount of wood I had in here, I can't believe the limited amount of ash that's in there. And there's a mess all around over here. This stuff is frozen to the ground. I was out here with the kids at night, and once this burned down, I let them toast their marshmallows. This is an easy make. I didn't go about showing how to do this. This is more of what you can do with a wash machine. Now, if you're putting this in the front of your house, you might not want this. You might want to go out and purchase one of these. If so, I have the link in the description down below at Amazon where you could purchase one. And that link does go to my storefront, where it helps me keep the channel going if you decide to buy one. But if this is in the backyard or out of sight, once this is painted up, it'll look halfway decent. Now, there's that piece back there. I could cut that off and make it look all uniform. But when we're out here at night with this fire blazing, nobody's even noticing that. So the next time you have a washer that you're getting rid of, or you see one on the side of the road, this is one of the things you could do with it. And this had a good working motor that'll be used in another project. If you found this video useful, entertaining, let me know. Give it a like. Any questions or comments, be sure to post them down below. It does help. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Until next time, stay warm and be safe.